What's up, gentlemen? So I got a story for you. This past weekend, I was out with my wife and a few other couples. There's this guy that's the husband of one of my wife's friends, who I've seen a few times, and every single time I see him and try and talk to him, he acts weird as shit. Just kind of a weirdo. Every time I see him, he's just odd and kind of twitchy and just acts weird. And so I asked my wife, I'm like, yo, why is... we'll call him Brad. Why is Brad such a weirdo? She laughs. She's like, he's not weird. He's intimidated by you. And what? And me? I'm 5'6". I'm 150 pounds. I'm a nice guy. I try to talk to him. I try to engage him. Every time I see him, I like freaking bend over backwards to be friendly. So this got me thinking more about this whole like intimidation thing. And I thought, yo, this would be an incredible video. And so today, guys, I'm going to go over 6 signs that somebody's intimidated by you. And then I'm going to go over the 6 reasons why they're intimidated by you. The first sign somebody is intimidated by you: lack of eye contact. And if you combine lack of eye contact with fidgeting and just kind of like looking all like uncomfortable, this is a telltale sign that you make them feel incredibly weak. Third sign somebody's intimidated by, oh, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Did I just bump? I'm so sorry I just bumped in here. Hold on. Exactly, right? They apologize about stupid things. Fourth sign is that they never ask you questions about you. They might talk about themselves a little bit, but they're never like engaging and inquisitive about you. Now, you might think to yourself, oh, they're just self-centered. Well, here's the thing. Self-centered people are more like boastful and like bragging like, I did this and I'm amazing and I'm incredible. But they want to keep talking and telling you how incredible and amazing they are. But people that are intimidated, they will like tell you a little bit and then they're just like, okay, I gotta go. And they just never engage you because they want to get away from you in the conversation incredibly fast because you make them feel incredibly insecure. The fifth sign that they feel intimidated by you is that their body language is weak and submissive. When somebody's intimidated by you psychologically, they don't know that they're doing it, but if you pay attention, right, you'll notice their body language is super insecure and it makes them look incredibly weak. And the sixth sign that somebody is intimidated by you is that they act weird as hell and just awkward and kind of just like weird around you, but normal around other people. And this was the situation with old boy Brad. He's normal when he's out with my wife and her friend and all the other husbands, but around me, he's such a weirdo. Anyway, those are the 6, hopefully he's not a subscriber. Those are the 6 signs that somebody is intimidated by you. Now let's go over why they're intimidated by you. Reason number 1 is that you work out and you take care of yourself physically. You look like you work out, because here's the deal. The majority of dudes out there have dad bods. They are rocking some seriously hardcore dad bods. Not that there's anything wrong with dad bods. Like, they're the rage, and if that's yours, then great. But if you're somebody who takes care of themselves physically, you work out or you eat healthy. That's the other thing. If you're somebody that goes out to a restaurant with a group of people and you're sitting there ordering something that's sensible, saying like, you know, dressing on the side, or please don't use oil, or I'll take the salmon, this makes people feel so incredibly insecure. And usually what they'll do is they'll say something like, oh, Jimmy, just have a break, or oh, I bet you never eat better. Like, it's really annoying. It is so annoying having to defend why you're eating healthy, why you're working out. You're not asking them why they don't work out. You're not asking them why they're eating cheese-covered Alfredo sauce for dinner. You're handsome. If you are good looking, this is another thing that makes people feel incredibly insecure. You're well groomed, your hair is fixed, your eyebrows are done, your beard is smooth, or whatever. People are intimidated by you looking good and being handsome. And if you use Tish Hanley, it's inevitable. In all seriousness, guys, when I started really taking care of my skin, a lot of things changed with my appearance. My complexion got more even. I didn't have as many wrinkles. My skin wasn't as oily. I wasn't broken out. It was a game changer for me. And what I found is that people would notice the fact that I looked better and would always like kind of be like, yo, Aaron, what are you doing? And I'd be like, yo, I'm taking care of my skin. This box is actually my subscription that I just got in the mail yesterday. I am also a subscriber and not just an owner. All right, in the box, you are going to receive this. This looks like a nice welcome card, but on the back, this is where the magic really happens. What we do is we've taken all of the guesswork out of looking incredible. We tell you exactly what products to use, in what order, and actually show you how much. And And at the bottom, you also have an email address and phone number where if you ever have any questions regarding your skin or Tiege Hanley, you can call or send us an email. Our customer service department is something that we have invested a lot of time and money into to make sure that you have the best experience ever with our incredible company. And then inside, like I said, this is my level 3 box, so I'm getting the eye cream along with the anti-aging super serum, but it also comes with the wash, an AM, a PM moisturizer, and an exfoliating scrub. A level 1 box, guys, if you're new to skincare and not doing anything, start there. There are 4 things that every single one of you need to do, as in like critical. If you're not doing these, you are definitely not going to look as good as you possibly can. Every day, twice a day, you need to wash your face. You need a high quality wash that isn't going to strip all of the good essential oils, but still clean all the dirt and the grime off of your face and pores. And twice a week, you also need to exfoliate. But the deal is this, you don't want to just get a washcloth and like scrub your face, right? That can actually damage your skin. Instead, you want to use a product that has something nice in terms of an exfoliant. The Tiege Hanley scrub, we use ground up like apricot seed, and this is actually one of our most popular products because it's cool, there's menthol, it's refreshing. When you're done, your face feels incredible. And you need to moisturize in the morning and at night. Tiege Hanley, it's the real deal. It is the highest quality product that you're ever gonna find, but the best thing is the price is super freaking affordable. We've cut out the middleman, which means you get a freaking incredible product at an insanely amazing price. And because I'm an owner of Tiege Hanley, guys, I can do like some promotions and can offer you some discounts and deals that other influencers that we use cannot. Guys, hit that link, go grab your first Tiege Hanley system at an incredible discount and deal on me. But the deal is this, with skincare, it's not a once and done type of thing. It's something that you need to adopt. It's a routine so that you can look incredible forever. Third reason why you intimidate people is that your style game is freaking on point. If you're somebody who pays attention to style or trends and always tries to put together outfits and look good, then a lot of people, because the majority of people, if we're being honest, don't, they're intimidated. In their head, they think you're judging them, right? They think you're looking at them and being like, oh, he's not stylish, right? When in reality, you don't give a shit about them. You're just focused on you, kicking ass, being awesome. Number 4, you stand up for yourself, all right? You don't take shit from people. You don't let other people push you around. Number 5, you're successful. Successful in anything, whether or not it's sports, whether or not it's school, whether or not it's professionally, whether or not it's career, whether or not it's like you're killing it with the ladies, right? People are intimidated a lot of times by other people when they are successful. And last, but certainly not least, the 6th reason why people are intimidated by you is that you are confident. Confidence is one of those things that people can see, they can feel when you engage with them, your body language, the way that you communicate, just your presence, your aura. It's incredibly powerful. And when you're around people that can sense this and tell because it's undeniable, it makes them feel a little bit insecure. Here's the question I would like to leave with you. Should you change? Should I change to make them more comfortable? Gentlemen, if you think them, give this video a big thumbs up. If you think, yeah, you should change, you should be less awesome in order to not make them feel insecure and uncomfortable because they're too busy feeling insecure and uncomfortable, then give this video a thumbs down. You pick, it's up to you. Gentlemen, here's the deal. You are incredible, you are amazing, you are confident and a super badass dude. And it's no wonder that other people feel intimidated because you're so awesome.